As if this squirrel wasn't having a bad enough day, he then had to deal with fat shaming.
I wonder if you hadn't eaten so many nuts, you wouldn't have got stuck in there.
The hungry fellow thought he stumbled upon an easy feast in a bird feeder, but soon regretted his decision to dig in. A couple in Surrey, England, found the chunky animal trapped and called the RSPCA for help because its head was caught in the cage. An animal rescue officer showed up with some clippers to help free the squirrel.
There we go.
Snip by snip, the officer worked carefully not to harm the animal. It took a few minutes, but the RSPCA reports the squirrel quickly ran away upon being released. It was uninjured, except for maybe a bruised ego.